How to restore Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10 or 11. Here you can see this quick and easy tutorial. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a solution for those of you who missed the classic Windows Photo Viewer in Windows 10 or 11. If you find the new Photos app a bit overwhelming or just prefer the simplicity of the old viewer, you're in the right place. Stick around as we show you how to restore Windows Photo Viewer in just a few simple steps. First things first, download these codes from the link in the description. After downloading these, you will find this notepad like this. Now click on File, and then select Save As. Rename this as photoviewer.reg. Then click on Save. Here you will see our created file. Double-click on it. Here click on Yes. Again, here click on Yes. Now we have successfully added the registry of Photo Viewer into Windows. After that, make sure that you restart your computer before continuing with this. After restarting, right-click on any photo that is in your computer. Select Open With. Here choose another app option. Here it's not yet listed. Just move down and then click on More Apps. Here it is. Select this Windows Photo Viewer. Click on Always use this app to open. Then click on OK. And that's it. You've successfully restored Windows Photo Viewer on your Windows 10 or 11 system. Now, when you open images, they should open with the classic viewer. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Windows tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's something else you'd like us to cover, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.